Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the minimum variance SMA indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the minimum variance SMA indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 26 different strategies, with 6 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 390 indicators, with a total of 159 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we're working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 159 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the minimum variance SMA indicator. You can see it here on screen. And so the setup on this is a little interesting. So it acts kind of like Super Trend or the SSL, where it bounces kind of from under price action to above price action, from above to below, rather abruptly sometimes. But basically the way we're going to try this is just like we would a regular moving average, where we are looking for the price action break to either the upside or the downside. So when price action breaks to the upside, we're going to go long. When it breaks to the downside, we're going to go short. So we've done this quite a few times, so it's kind of a normal procedure here. All right, we got our first signal right there to the downside. That one's going to definitely get us to take profit. Did pretty good right there. Then we get a jump to the upside right there. I don't think that one quite got us to take profits. It did not. Then we pick up a drop to the downside there. Same deal. Almost immediately gets stopped out with a pop to the upside, and then pop to the downside, and then back to the upside. Classic moving average type signals taking place here. Then we get a punch to the downside, and that one finally gets some take profit there. continue on here. Let's see, right there, jumps to the upside. Looks like we were able to barely squeeze out take profit. We were. Then to the downside there, gets stopped out rather quickly though, as we go back to the upside there. Let's go ahead and play that one out a little bit. And that one gets stopped out for a short, stopped out for a long, and back to a short. And it looks like that one we were able to ride out a little bit there and get to take profit. We then pick up a long right there. Let's go ahead and continue forth. Right there we pick up. So there we got that long right there. It was canceled out by the short, but that one was able to get us to take profit. Then jump to the upside there. That one climbs out there pretty nicely, getting us to take profit. And a short right there. Oops, wrong color. That one gets stopped out as we jump to the upside there. Let's continue on. Get a drop to the downside there. That one gets us to take profit. We seem to be picking up a few more wins now. Don't count it out until we get to the end. I've seen things go really bad in the beginning, and then as it goes on, gets better and better and ends up becoming a decent indicator. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and cut out some of the video. That way this doesn't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so we are at the end of the year. Now, before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up for the Patreon, it will give you access to the Patreon-only channel on the Discord, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading indicators, trading strategies, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. So if you use the MT platforms quite a bit rather than TradingView, it'd be a very handy list for you to have. Our members and admins are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of areas of interest where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, and indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. Lastly, a new thing that I've been doing recently is I put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and so you'll get the full list of strategies that shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to the videos to go back and review those strategies. And so you'll get that full list, as well as the full list of indicators that we've tested, shows which ones were winners and losers, and their win rates as well. So a lot of great stuff, great benefits that you get for becoming a Patreon, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. It is really super cheap. Highly recommend it. All right, so back to the indicator here. Yeah, we got quite a few trades here. An over trader for sure. Let's go ahead and add these up, see what we get. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Whew, 50 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. This one fell victim to The same thing that so many other indicators have fallen victim to, over trading like crazy. And like most moving averages, you get pinballed in and out of price or in and out of trades so much that it ends up just eating you up in these losing trades, really making it not worth it at all. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we're going to move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.